Number 1. Viofo, a 292 Plus. This 2K dual-channel dashcam features Sony Starvis 2 image sensors and offers enhanced video quality for both front and rear recording. It boasts features like 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster data transfer, built-in GPS, and voice control, making it a user-friendly and feature-rich option for car owners. This advanced technology offers 2.5 times dynamic range and 2.5 times light sensitivity compared to Starvis, resulting in reduced noise and motion blur during night recording. This innovative technology provides a wider dynamic range and advanced HDR capabilities, resulting in footage that captures more details in bright and dark areas. In essence, the Viofo R2-4K Plus is designed to provide high-quality, reliable, and user-friendly dashcam functionality for capturing driving footage and providing peace of mind while parked. At number 2, DDPAI Z60 Pro 4K Dashcam. The Z60 Pro is a dual dashcam offering 4K front and 1080 pixel rear video recording, featuring Sony Starvis 2 sensors for enhanced clarity and image quality. It boasts a wide 138-degree front and 137-degree rear field of view, minimizing blind spots, and includes features like dual HDR, 60 frames per second recording, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video transfer. The DDPAI 4K Dashcam also includes 24-hour parking surveillance for the dashcam front and rear with time-lapse recording and collision detection, plus a supercapacitor for power loss protection during incidents. The next one is Rove R2-4K Dual Dashcam. The Rove R2 features dual-channel recording, capturing footage from both the front and rear of the vehicle simultaneously. The front camera records in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera records in 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. It boasts a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for the front camera, offering enhanced low-light performance and capturing vivid details. The dashcam also includes built-in GPS for geotagging and speed recording, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy access to footage, and a supercapacitor for improved durability and heat or cold resistance. This 4K DUAL offers 3 options for its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with voice guidance: 1 frame per second time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. Number 4. 70 MIA 810 4K Dashcam. This is another 4K dashcam that features dual-channel recording, a Sony Starvis 2 IMX 678 image sensor, and advanced driver assistant systems. It offers 4K resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear with HDR for enhanced image quality. The dashcam also includes built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and an AI-powered motion detection system for smart parking surveillance. The 70 MI car dash cam also features seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full, ensuring continuous recording without interruption. And number 5, BOTSLAB 4K Cam. The BOTSLAB is a budget-friendly dual-channel 4K, nicely featured dash cam with parking mode. This dash cam front-rear, powered by the Sony IMX 415 sensor, captures stunning landscapes and enjoys superior clarity on dark roads. The car dash camera uses BOTSLAB's latest AI algorithm to receive real-time alerts of pedestrian collisions, vehicle movement ahead, lane departure, and headway monitoring. In addition to ADS alerts, you receive driver fatigue alerts every 2 hours to ensure safe and worry-free driving. Working with the hardwire kit, the G980H dashcam can still work when the car is turned off. It will help you record emergencies when you are not in the car and help you prevent thieves and vandals. Additionally, the G980H dashcam's display will show your real-time speed And the recorded video also includes speed records, allowing you to grasp your speed at every moment. That's a wrap on the best Starvis 2 dash cams. Now, hit the road with confidence, because even the darkest night won't hide a thing. Drive smart, capture everything.